Paying off all your debt before you invest could be the most expensive mistake you ever make. I know, that sounds insane. Everyone you trust told you the opposite. Get to zero first, then build wealth. But that advice quietly steals years you'll never get back. Let me show you the math that nobody mentions. Imagine two people, same income, same debt. One spends 7 years killing every dollar of debt before investing a cent. The other invests a little the whole time. 7 years later, the second person is tens of thousands ahead and still cleared the debt. Same effort, wildly different outcome. Here's why. Debt has a price tag, the interest rate. Investing has a reward, the long-term return. When your debt costs less than your money could earn elsewhere, racing to pay it off isn't discipline. It's a slow leak. You're handing up growth to feel safe. So forget the all-or-nothing rule. Use the interest rate threshold instead. Draw a line in the sand. High-cost debt, the painful double-digit kind, gets attacked first, ruthlessly. That stuff is a fire. You put it out before anything else. But low-cost debt, the slow, cheap kind, that's not a fire. That's a tide that comes in slowly. You don't have to drop everything to fight it. You can pay it down steadily and invest at the same time. 2 engines running together beats 1 engine running alone. Why does this work? One word, time. Compounding doesn't reward the disciplined. It rewards the early. $1 invested at 25 outworks $10 invested at 40. Every year you wait to begin is a year your money can never get back, no matter how hard you hustle later. Most people get this backwards because debt feels emotional. It itches. It keeps you up at night. So we throw every dollar at it just to make the feeling stop. But feeling debt-free and being wealthy are not the same thing. One soothes you today, the other frees you for life. Think about the friend who's obsessed with zero. They paid off everything, they feel righteous, but they own almost nothing that grows. Meanwhile, inflation quietly eats their savings every single year. They won a battle and lost the war, and they don't even know it yet. Here's the second thing nobody tells you. There's a hidden return on certain debt, the employer match, the tax-advantaged account, the free money sitting on the table while you sprint towards zero. Skipping that to pay down cheap debt faster is like refusing a gift to clear a small bill. It's noble, it's also broke math. Now the objection, but guaranteed beats risky. True, paying off debt is a guaranteed return. And if that debt is expensive, take it every time. I'm not telling you to gamble. I'm telling you that below a certain cost, the guaranteed win is so small, it's not worth surrendering decades of growth for. So here's your action today. Write down every debt you have. Next to each one, write its interest rate. Then draw your threshold line. Anything expensive and painful on top. Anything cheap and slow on the bottom. That single list will tell you exactly where your next dollar belongs. Attack the top with everything. And while you do, start feeding the bottom and start investing, even a tiny amount. Not someday. Now, because the goal was never to feel debt-free. The goal was to be free. Those are different finish lines. Let that reframe sink in. Debt isn't a monster to slay all at once. It's a number with a price. Some prices are worth paying down slowly while your money does the heavy lifting elsewhere. The disciplined feel good. The free think in numbers. Don't let guilt make your money decisions. Guilt is loud, but it's a terrible accountant. Run the math, set your threshold, and let 2 engines work for you instead of 1. That's how ordinary people quietly pull ahead while everyone else races to zero and stays there. So here's your one-line takeaway. Kill expensive debt fast, but never wait on cheap debt to start building wealth. Get debt-free if you want, but get free first. Make your list tonight. Your future self is already counting the years you saved.